Looking for a reliable way to mount your mobile electronics without the worry of slipping or shaking? The PanaVise 71609 9-inch Slimline 2000 pedestal mount promises solid stability and unmatched adjustability for your hands-free kits, GPS units, satellite radios, and more. If you depend on your devices while on the move, this mount is built to keep them secure. What sets this mount apart is its impressive range of motion, 210 degrees of tilt, plus a full 360-degree turn and rotation at both ends. That means you can position your device exactly how you want it, whether you're navigating, streaming, or communicating. The overall height of 9 inches gives you plenty of room to customize your setup without sacrificing stability. Durability is key here. The head plate combines glass fiber reinforced composite plastic with an aluminum alloy shaft, creating a strong yet lightweight structure. The serrated contact design at the head and foot ensures a firm grip on your device, preventing unwanted movement even during bumpy rides. This thoughtful engineering keeps your electronics exactly where you place them. The mount's base is designed with a concave foot that spreads the load evenly, which helps eliminate the common problem of carpet float when installed on vehicle floors. Measuring 2.5 by 2.5 inches, the foot is made from long glass fiber reinforced composite plastic, ensuring it can handle the weight and stress of daily use without wearing down. One reviewer from the U.S. summed it up perfectly: "These mounts hold tight and don't slip, even at highway speeds of 75 miles per hour. Whether you're cruising down the lake or driving on rough roads, you can trust your devices will stay put." That peace of mind alone makes this mount worth considering. If you're tired of mounts that fail when you need them most, the PanaVise 71609 offers a practical solution. It's not just about holding your electronics, it's about keeping them safe and accessible no matter where the road takes you. The combination of strong materials, smart design, and smooth adjustability makes it a dependable choice. Worth a look if you want a mount that adapts to your needs and stands up to real-world use. The PanaVise Slimline 2000 pedestal mount delivers on its promise to secure your mobile electronics firmly and flexibly. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your setup and enjoy hassle-free device handling on the go.